Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing from Tiffany's. Now, I know this looks crazy. This is actually all one item. It's just wrapped separately, but I did want to show you really quick just how the Tiffany's items come, just in case anyone's ever curious about like ordering online. So it comes in a box like this. It's just a regular brown box, which is nice because it doesn't have their name anywhere. And then when you open it up, I know it's bright. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does say Tiffany Co right there. So that's the box. And then I got some tissue paper with a little sticker here. They did give me a bag. And then you get this. It's an like a jewelry care guide. And they also throw in this little card. So you have a little envelope and a little card that just says Tiffany Co down here, just in case it's a gift for anyone. So yeah, so that's what came with it. But also really quick, before I unbox these, so there is actually two stories with this item. I'm not gonna tell it now just because I know some people don't care and they just wanna see the unboxing, so that's fine. But I think I'm gonna do like a story time in another video, so stay tuned for that. But the reason why I'm mentioning it right now is because this item, this is the second, well, this is actually like the fourth one, but anyways, that's part of the story. But I've already unboxed this one time, not on this channel, but on my original channel. So when I first purchased this, like maybe a year and a half ago, I unboxed it. I didn't have my luxury channel at that time, so I just had my normal makeup channel, and I did an unboxing on that channel. I think it was like a what I got for Christmas, like I threw it in there. And so, yeah, and then I repurchased it, which I will say in the story, but I actually had to repurchase it 3 times. It was a whole thing, but again, the only reason I'm mentioning it right now is just in case anyone saw that video and then they're watching this and they're like, what? You already have that. Why are you unboxing it again? This is a new one. So just wanted to throw that out there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We're just gonna start unboxing this one at a time. So this is the first one. And I don't know which piece is in which item, so I'll just find out with you guys. But it comes like this, in a pretty blue box. And then, okay, so this is the chain. So this kind of gives it away. It is a necklace, it's a pendant. And this is the chain. This is 18 karat rose gold. So just a chain, very, very pretty. What's nice about this is that you can use this chain for other pendants that you have, which you can't do that if, I was thinking about that the other day with the vintage Alhambra pendant that I got for my birthday from Van Cleef. It's beautiful, and I like it because the pendant's connected to the chain. I like it because it kind of helps you keep it centered, but it stinks because their chain is really pretty and you can only use it with their pendant, which maybe they did on purpose, but anyway, so that's the first item, it's the chain. And then this is the second one. Another blue box. There we go. And it is a key. So I am really into the Tiffany keys. I just think they're so pretty. If you've never looked at them, like just have a browse online, just search in, you know, keys or key pendants on the Tiffany's website, and there are so many keys in so many different metals, in so many different styles, with diamonds, without diamonds. They're just so, so fun, and you can kind of curate your own pendant. So this is also 18 karat rose gold, and it's just a plain key, just kind of like what like an old-fashioned key looks like. So that is going to go on my chain. And then this is the last one. This never gets old, untying these white ribbons, I swear. So fun. Okay. And this is another key. This key is quite smaller, and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it's tiny, also 18 karat rose gold, but the face of the key is diamonds. And then let me go ahead and take all of these out, and then I'm gonna put them on the actual chain and then show you guys up close, and then I'll also try it on just so you can see like where it sits and all of that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed in on my lens. So I'm going to show you guys up close before I try them on. Hopefully if it focuses. Okay, so they are both, like I said, 18 karat rose gold. The larger key is just plain, and then the smaller key has diamonds all over the face. So I just felt like the dimension in the size, and then the plain key versus the key with diamonds looked really cute. So yeah, love the way these look together. So this is what it looks like on me. I don't know if the chain is 16 inches or 18. I feel like it's 18. I'll double check though. But yeah, I really like the way this hangs. I feel like it's delicate and dainty, but something about it, because it's keys, I just feel like it's a little edgy still. And I don't really see people with key necklaces or key pendants. So I feel like it's kind of different. And I know I don't have anything like this. So yeah, I just love it. I love the way it looks. I love how versatile it is. So like I said, because the pendants are not connected to the chain, I can always take off a key if I just feel like wearing one. Or if I want to add to the stack in the future, I can always add another key. So definitely super fun. Love these and highly recommend. Again, if this is like your thing at all, or you think it would be cute, check out their website because they have so many keys. But yeah, that is everything. If you guys enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.